There are many kitchen remodeling tips that will help you improve your kitchen and make it more beautiful. The most important tip that should be kept in mind while planning the kitchen remodeling is to plan it in a such way that the budget is not overstressed. This means that the remodeling project can be accomplished within the available budget. Planning and scheduling do not mean that you need to wait until the last moment to renovate your kitchen. Take a look around your area. You will find that there are many companies that deal with your kitchen cabinet project. Some of these companies will also have showroom from where you can get real feel of the design. You can also visit some website on the internet to get some ideas about the various options available for kitchen cabinet. However, before contacting any of the manufacturers, you should be clear about your requirements. In example, about your space, color, design, etc. There are many people who feel that kitchen remodeling is very time consuming and they don't have time to spare in the initial stage. However, if you take care of a few important things, you will be able to make your kitchen look beautiful within a short period of time. One of the best kitchen remodeling tips that can be followed is to work according to the size of the kitchen. This will make it easy to work on the project and also you will be able to make changes as you go along. In case you live in a small size house, you should not opt for fancy kitchen cabinet as they add to the height of the kitchen. This may make it difficult for you to move around the kitchen. Hence, you should make the kitchen cabinet as per the size of the room. A kitchen which is bigger in size can accommodate square-shaped kitchen cabinet. If the kitchen cabinet manufacturer does not give you an exact measurement or you do not have adequate knowledge, you can hire an interior decorator who would be able to make you proper arrangement based on your specification. Many people think that a lot of thought and planning is required before they proceed with kitchen remodeling. However, this is not the case. You just need to plan properly. All the things that will be done in the kitchen such as painting the wall, placing the sink, getting the cabinet handle should be planned before you begin the project. You should also think about the placement of your cupboard, shelf, and other furniture. This will make it easier for you when you start the task of painting the walls and other parts of the kitchen. Another important kitchen tip that you should follow is to make a list of all the things that you want to get done in the kitchen before you begin with the task. You should make this a comprehensive list so that you will know what to do and what to discard. This will make your work easier since you will avoid doing the unnecessary tasks. This also helps you to remain prepared so that you can do the necessary tasks without delay. One more important kitchen remodeling tips that you should follow is to choose the right contractor for the job. This is very important since if you choose the wrong contractor for the task, then you will end up spending more money instead of saving money. Make sure that you check out several contractors and shortlist a few of them. After looking at their portfolio, you should make a final decision based on their price quotes and other kitchen remodeling tips. When you have decided upon the contractor, you should talk to him about your ideas regarding the remodeling of your kitchen and discuss the plans that you have in mind. If you find that your ideas are not well thought out, then you should tell the contractor so that he can change them. Also, if you are not happy with the way he explained things to you, then you should tell him so. You should use your brain and think carefully before you execute any kitchen remodeling tips for your kitchen.